Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest in gadgets, gear, and tech accessories to help you buy smarter. Today, we're diving into a smart remote that's got a lot of people curious. The replacement for the LG MR25GA Magic Remote. Designed specifically for 2025 LG Smart TVs. Now, at first glance, this might just look like another remote, but it's packing some interesting features. And it's built to work with LG's newest OLED G5, C5, B5, and the QNED 92A, 85A, 80A, and even the UA77 series. We'll look at the design, the tech under the hood, the functionality, and whether it's actually worth it for your living room setup. Let's start with the design. The remote comes in a sleek black finish, although the listing does spell it BLCAK, which may just be a typo, but we're here for performance. It has the signature LG Magic Remote look, complete with the central scroll wheel and mouse-like pointer that moves on screen as you point the remote. This makes navigating menus feel a lot like using a wireless mouse, and if you've used LG TVs before, you'll feel right at home. The real magic though is the voice control. The MR25GA supports AI voice commands and integrates with both Alexa and Google Assistant. That means you can control your entire TV with just your voice, launch apps, change inputs, adjust volume, or even check the weather, all hands-free. You do need to have your TV connected to the internet, but once that's set, the experience is smooth and impressively responsive. Now, the compatibility list is huge. This thing is tailor-made for the 2025 lineup of LG Smart TVs. We're talking every major OLED model, from the 42-inch C5 all the way up to the massive 97-inch OLED 97M5. It also supports the full QNED range, including the high-end 100 QNED models, and every size in the UA7700 series. If you've got a 2025 LG TV, this remote is almost guaranteed to work. Setup is simple too. No programming needed. Just insert batteries, which are not included, and the remote auto-pairs with your TV over Bluetooth. If it doesn't connect right away, there's a manual pairing option in your TV's settings under Remote and Devices. Another big feature the listing points out is the 5-year free replacement guarantee. That's not something you see every day, especially on third-party accessories. It shows a level of confidence from the brand, Aituzero. But remember, this model is currently listed as unavailable on Amazon, so you may need to check back for restocks or look at similar models listed under customer alternatives. In use, the remote feels responsive, the scroll wheel has a satisfying click, and the pointer tracking is accurate. Voice commands register clearly, and Alexa integration lets you control not just your TV but smart home devices too, including lights and thermostats. So, who's this for? If you've got a 2025 LG Smart TV and you've lost or damaged your original MR25GA, this is a solid drop in replacement. If you're upgrading from an older LG remote, you'll really notice the jump in usability thanks to voice control and pointer navigation. Would I recommend it? Yes, assuming you can find it back in stock. It brings back all the features you expect from LG's premium remotes, with support for the latest models and AI smarts baked in. Just be aware you'll need to supply your own AA batteries. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product we should break down next. Catch you in the next one.